Okay, in this segment we will be writing a ratio as a percentage. It's a word problem. Teresa is riding on a bike course that is 80 miles long. Now, so far she has ridden 75 miles of the course. And so the question is, what percentage has she ridden? Well, obviously here, what we're doing is we are looking at a ratio. What we're basically doing here then is to compare a part to the whole thing. She's ridden part of that, and we want to make that comparison to all of that. So notice that the part that she has ridden is 76 and the whole thing is 80. So we can write this ratio as 76/80ths. Or we can consider that to be a fraction. So let's take a look at our notes here that we've talked about once before. The wheel of torture, which is stored in the document sharing section. And basically what we're interested in doing is going from a fraction to a percent. Now we can go there directly, or we can go there by way of decimal. We can do that in either direction that we want. In this case here, it might be easier to do the fraction, change that to a decimal, and then to a percent. That might be easier than doing it directly. And so let's go about it in that direction. First thing we want to do is to take the fraction and make that into a decimal. To take a fraction and make it into a decimal, the rule says take the top and divide that by the bottom. So we'll hop over here to our ALEKS statistic, our ALEKS calculator. We'll take our 76, we'll divide that by our 80, and we'll convert to a decimal. And so that decimal is 0.95. Now, let's go back and take a look again. If we have a decimal and we want to convert that to a percent, we simply move the decimal 2 places to the right and attach the percent sign. So as we look back here, 0.95 is going to become 95%. And so we'll put the 95, we'll attach the percent sign, and we will check it.